So Samsung has finally launched the Galaxy Watch 7 and it comes with a lot of changes, but it also does come with ratings like IP68, 5 ATM and military standard 810H rating. And what that does mean, can you go swim with it? Can you go diving with it? Well, in short, the IP68 means the device is actually dust proof, so there is no way dust can enter in this device and damage the components, but it can also withstand being submerged in water up to 1.5 meters or 5 feet deep for up to 30 minutes. That's the limit, the time and the depth. Because if you don't know, the IP rating has two little numbers. The first digit indicates the level of protection against solid objects, and 6 is the best one. And the second digit indicates the level of protection against water, but fresh water. No beverages or hot waters, salt water or chemical waters. Now you're probably thinking, what is the 5 ATM rating? The 5 ATM rating means the device can withstand the pressure equivalent to be submerged in water up to 50 meters or about 164 feet deep, but also for a certain amount of time. In this case, it's actually 10 minutes. So definitely you can go swimming with this device. Now, the military standard 810H rating. It's a standard rating that specifies a series of tests that a device must pass to be considered rugged and durable. And this includes a test of water resistance as well as resistance to shock, vibration, extreme temperature. And even so, this is not specifically meant for only water resistance, but for everything else as well. So finally, is it waterproof? Well, no, none of the handheld devices, whether it's a phone or a watch, is waterproof. They all are water resistant. Waterproof devices is actually completely impervious to water and can be so much indefinitely without being damaged, and that's not the case. So that means the normal splashes, the rain, the stuff like that, shower, all of those will not affect this watch at all. These are something that you should keep in mind before jumping into the pool or doing anything stupid with this watch.
And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.